Happy Makara Sankranti to all of you. What is the significance of Makara Sankranti? How does Makara Sankranti fall on the same day every year? How is it celebrated in different parts of the country? Answer to all these questions coming up. Stay tuned at the end of the video to learn how to make Ellu Bella with me. What is the significance of Makara Sankranti? It is a festive day in the Hindu calendar dedicated to the deity Surya or sun. It signifies the arrival of longer days. Makara Sankranti falls in the Hindu calendar solar month of Makara and the lunar month of Magha. In some parts of India, it is believed that a demon was killed on that day. It marks the first day of the sun's transit into the Makara Rashi or Capricorn, making the end of the month with winter solstice and the start of the longer days. Basically, it means longer nights during winter months are going to end and we shall have longer days. Apparently, on the day of Makara Sankranti, the rays of the sun have the highest amount of vitamin D, and eating Ellu Bella or similar items made of sesame and jaggery gives our body the much needed good fats to fully absorb the vitamin D from the sun. That is why people celebrate the festivities like kite flying, drawing rangoli, visiting friends and family so that you are exposed to the sun and make use of the abundant vitamin D which we would not have got during the winter days. How does Makara Sankranti fall on the same day of every year? Makara Sankranti is set by the solar cycle of the Hindu lunisolar calendar and is observed on the same day every year. Being a festival that celebrates the solar cycle, it almost always falls on the same Gregorian date every year, that is 14th of January, except in some years when it falls on 15th of January. Makara Sankranti is one of the few ancient Indian and Nepali festivals that has been observed according to solar cycles, while most of our festivals are set by the lunar cycles. How is it celebrated in different parts of our country? The festivities associated with Makara Sankranti are known by various names such as Magha Sankranti in Nepal, Magh Bihu in Assam, Maghi or Lori in Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh, Thai Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Guguti in Uttarakhand, Makara Sankranti in Odisha, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Goa, Pausha Sankranti in West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh, Sankranti in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. If you like the video so far, consider subscribing to my channel on YouTube. I keep bringing new videos every Friday. Makara Sankranti is observed with social festivities such as colorful decorations, children going from house to house, singing and exchanging treats in some areas, melas or fairs, dances, kite flying, bonfires and feasts. Makara Sankranti is regarded as important for spiritual practices and accordingly, people take a holy dip in the rivers, especially Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. The bathing is believed to result in merit or absolution of past sins. The Hindus observe Makara Sankranti with one of the world's largest mass pilgrimages, with an estimate of 100 million people attending the event. At this event, they say a prayer to the sun and bathe at the Prayag confluence of the river Ganga and river Yamuna at the Kumbh Mela, a tradition attributed to Adi Shankaracharya. A shared cultural practice found among Hindus of Nepal and various parts of India is making sticky bound sweets, particularly from sesame and a sugar base such as jaggery. This type of sweet is a symbolism for being together in peace and joyfulness despite the uniqueness and differences between individuals. For most part of India, this period is a part of early stages of Rabi crop and agricultural cycle where crops have been sown and the hard work in the fields is mostly over. The time thus signifies a period of socializing and families enjoying each other's company, taking care of cattle and celebrating around bonfires. In some parts, the festival is celebrated by flying kites. What is Ellu Bella? what is Ellu Birodhu? This is the Sugi or harvest festival for farmers of Karnataka. On this auspicious day, girls wear new clothes to visit near and dear ones with a Sankranti offering in a plate and exchange the same with other families. This ritual is called Ellu Birodhu. Here, the plate would normally contain yellow, white sesame seeds mixed with fried groundnuts, neatly cut dry coconut, and finely cut bella or jaggery. This mixture is called Ellu Bella. The plate also contains shaped sugar candy molds, sakkare achu, with a piece of sugar cane. There is a saying in Kannada, Ellu Bella tindu ulle matanadi. That is, eat the mixture of sesame seeds and jaggery and speak only good. This festival signifies the harvest of the season since sugarcane is predominant in these parts. Ellu Bella, Ellu Unde, bananas, sugarcane, red berries, haldi and kumkum. Small gift items useful in everyday lives are often exchanged among women in Karnataka. In North Karnataka, kite flying with community members is a tradition. Drawing rangoli in groups is another popular event among women during Sankranti. An important ritual is the display of cows and bulls in colorful costumes in an open field. Cows are decorated for the occasion and taken on a procession. They are also made to cross a fire. This ritual is common in rural Karnataka and is called Kichu Haisodu. Now, let's see how to make this Ellu Bella. Lightly toast groundnuts in a thick bottom pan. They should not change color, they should just be warm enough to be able to peel them. When it is warm to touch, peel them and split them into two, removing the eyes of the groundnuts. Similarly, lightly toast the fried Bengal gram and keep aside. Finely chop dried coconut or copra into small pieces and remove the black skin of the coconut. Finely chop hard variety of jaggery, also known as achu bella. Dry them in the sun for 1 to 2 hours so they become hard and don't melt, and about 2 or 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Mix together all these ingredients in equal proportions and our Ellu Bella is ready. We first offer this to God and then distribute it to our friends and family. Share this video with your friends and family just like we share Ellu Bella. I hope you like this video. If you have anything to add to this, please write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.